Welcome. In front of me is an EMPORIA Smart 0.4, which apparently is important, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So to get started, we'll want to turn off our device by holding the power key. Now once the phone turns off, you want to hold power and volume up at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so once you see your boot mode right here, using only volume up, you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, and then press the volume down to confirm it. Next thing you'll see is the Android with no command. So to get past this, hold power key and press the volume up once, which will then take you to the recovery mode. And from here, using both volume keys to navigate up and down, you will want to select Wipe Data Factory Reset, confirm it with power key, then select Factory Data Reset the same way. Once it's finished, Reboot System now will be selected by default, so press power key once again and this will now reboot the device and continue the process in the background. So just be patient, it might take a couple minutes to finish up, but once it has, we will be presented with the setup screen for the phone. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.